Alright, we're continuing. So we're continuing with the last one, the last session. Okay. So unfortunately we couldn't finish off the entire topic in time. So we are continuing static electricity laws and principles part 2 of 2. So this is basically a continuation of what should have been completed last time. And so you can see two of the things that we are going to do today are basically just a continuation of what we had planned last time. So today we'll be talking about something known as electrostatic induction, and we'll be moving on to describing what earthing means. क्योंकि ये दो चीजें अगर समझ आ जाएंगी, they're sort of interrelated as well. So with this, inshallah, बस इतना मैं कराऊंगा और आज की छुट्टी है. That's it. Today's theme. Yes. Alright, so electrostatic induction. I'll just put that here. So describing electrostatic induction. I hope you will be writing these as well.
Yes,
Electrostatic induction. So electrostatic तो हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. So that's basically things. Static means still, things to do with still charges. We understand that. Induction का क्या होता है? Who can tell me about induction? What might that be? ठीक है.
I think हो सकता है कि वो जो force electrostatic चीजें produce करती हैं या absorb
it's
करती
the
हैं.
energy that is
Okay.
Energy.
and the energy is absorbed into something.
Okay. So what does it mean to induce something? So for example, let me use the word induce in a sentence and you try to guess what it might mean. So I have managed to induce the love of physics into you guys. So when the energy दी
सर
है.
मतलब
So just कर.
Okay, your response has induced fear in
you
me.
give it to
So what does that mean?
Share started
Share,
share energy
share. Okay, ठीक है. Next one. Transfer, absorb.
send
Okay, so how would you feel about, what would you say about this? कि अगर मैं कहूँ कि induction is like saying cause and create.
मैंने start बोला.
So start is good, yes. So if I have induced the love of physics in you guys, so it means I've caused and created this love of physics in you guys, and उसी तरह से reverse में मैंने कहा था कि you have induced fear in me. So it's like saying कि you have caused and created fear inside me, right? It means the same thing, right? So induce means to cause and create. Okay? So we're going to do something to cause and create still charges in conductors. Okay? If you might recall, so the very first lesson on electrostatics, static electricity, हमने एक चीज डिस्कस की थी कि static charges किस तरह से डेवलप करते हुए friction. So we rub two surfaces with each other, and due to friction, some charges get transferred from one body to the other, right? But we limited that discussion to insulators, और हमने insulators के हमने वो भी देखे थे, structures भी देखे थे. So we said this only works with insulators but not conductors. Remember that?
yes
Right. So what if we want to get still charges in conductors now? So evidently we can't rub things, क्योंकि when we rub, the electron might get transferred, but then it just flows off, right? Because conductors में the charges are able to flow, right? So if we want still charges to develop in a conductor, say for example, मैं फिलहाल के लिए एक बड़े easy सी example लेता हूँ. So I've got a conducting sphere, a ball, that is mounted onto an insulated pole. Okay? So this pole is insulated, whereas the sphere is a conductor. ठीक है? I'll write that down as well. So this one is an insulator.
सही है क्या जी?
और कंडक्टर. कोई नहीं, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि कंडक्टर के ऊपर अब किस तरह से हम स्टिल चार्जेस या जस्ट नॉट मूविंग चार्जेस कैसे हम
Can I guess?
Yes, you can guess.
Sir, I have a feeling that the insulator has some energy जिस तरह like I mean I know ये electric current एक और topic है
हाँ.
लेकिन उसका example दे रही हूँ जिस तरह वो अपनी चीज़ें ट्रांसफर करता है मतलब अपना करंट ट्रांसफर करता है उस तरह इंसुलेटर इसके अंदर जा सकता है कंडक्टर के अंदर
Okay, not quite. Let me give you a hint. Say for example अभी ये neutrally charged है.
सर ये तो लॉलीपॉप लग रहा है
So okay, yes, very good. So neutrally charged है, so we've got a whole bunch of positive and negative charges, right? तो जितने positive charges हैं, like this, उतने ही हमारे पास negative charges भी हैं in the sea of delocalized electrons, like this. But the thing is over here, the positive charges and the negative charges, they're evenly distributed throughout the sphere. Can you see that? Okay? So they're evenly spread out. What if I brought this other material next to it that is charged, electrostatically charged? So for example, I've got a perspex rod, I've rubbed it on something, and now it has lost electrons from its surface, and so the perspex rod is now positively charged. What's going to happen? So ये perspex rod जो है
सर तो फिर
positively
वो
charged.
नेगेटिव वाले चार्जेस ले लेगा
No, we don't touch it. I just brought this rod near. So this is positively charged again. Static electricity, I've charged it somehow with friction. ये एक insulator है. I'll put this up here as well. So this is also an insulator. Traditional methods से हमने इसको charge किया हुआ है. What's going to happen? Now this is overall positively charged. So based on our discussion on the laws or principles of electrostatics, के light charges को क्या होता है, opposite charges को क्या, तो what's going to happen? Positive charge की वजह से
सर even though it's not touching force बीच में होगी so
force होगी, yes, you're right.
तो फिर वो हो सकता है कि वो पॉजिटिव वाले मतलब सेम जो लाइट पोल्स होते हैं वो रिपेल करते हैं तो पॉजिटिव वाले they got pushed towards the
Okay, we take your answer for now. What about the negative ones? मैं उस पर भी comment करूँगा आपके आंसर पे. What about the negative ones? Anybody? बताइए. Opposite charges को क्या होता है?
tracked
They are tracked. अच्छा. Now here's my comment on what you have just said, and now you put everything into context now. ठीक है? Positive charges experience a repulsion because they're light charges, same charges. Whereas opposite charges, plus and minus, they have attraction because they're opposite charges, right? The only catch here is that if you remember the structure of the conductor, so usme the positive metal ions stay in their fixed positions, whereas the sea of delocalized electrons is free to move about. So, आपकी जो बात थी, yes, they experience a force, लेकिन they won't really move too much out of the way. They will tend to stay where they are. हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि अब जैसे मैं खड़ा हूँ, ये मेरी न्यूट्रल पोजीशन है, तो एक ये वाला काम मैं कर सकता हूँ.
इसी बात
ठीक है? लेकिन ये नहीं कर सकता कि मैं इधर आ, right? So likewise, okay, we say कि slightly उस तरफ हो सकते, we can agree to that. But in essence, what's going to happen is कि ये जो distribution है negative charges की, it's going to be pulled to the right. Right? So all of these charges, 2, 3, 4, will come, move to the right. ये बात समझ आइए? So what's happened as a result of this? इस conductor के अंदर, now this uneven charge distribution has been caused and created. ये बात समझ आती है? So this uneven distribution of charge is caused and created. This uneven distribution of charge is now induced by bringing an electrostatically charged material here. What if this was negatively charged. For example, मेरे पास let's say woolen cloth है that has been wrapped. So now it's gained electrons and now it's overall negatively charged. अब क्या होगा? एक सेकंड, आप बताइए. Yes. Negative will repel which one? Same charges repel to ये किसको repel करेंगे?
Positive?
No, not positive.
Sir, it will repel the negative one and it will attract.
Same charge को repel करेगा.
Negative, yes.
हाँ, negative.
Sorry.
So same charge को ये repel करेगा and all the negative charges, एक second, the sea of delocalized electrons will sway, pushed to the side because of that force of repulsion. G. ये क्या है? Okay, fine. So all of them move to the side. ठीक है? अब ये movement समझ आती है? It's like the sea of delocalized electrons is free to move, so it can just sway from one place to another. ठीक है? It can just think of it as being able to flow. ठीक है? And in fact, electrical current जब आप पढ़ेंगे तो this is exactly what happens. Flow of charge exactly इसी तरह होता है कि electrons start flowing in the conductor. ठीक है? अच्छा, I'm going to introduce this topic on earthing for just a moment. ठीक है? And then we can see the overall charge हम कैसे इसके ऊपर अब develop करते हैं. Right now, it's still neutral, just that uneven distribution of charge, right? It's not really that the whole sphere has become negatively charged or positively charged. The number of electrons and protons are still balancing each other, right? Positive जितने हैं in the metal ions, उतने ही sea of delocalized electrons plus the atom, जितने भी electrons हैं, they're still balanced, neutral है. So let's talk about earthing for just a moment, ठीक है? So describe earthing. Based on its name, किसी को वैसे भी आइडिया आता है कि ये किस चीज से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए? What's it got to be related to? Earth. Yes, precisely. So the thing is, when you've got a conductor, let me start with it. Thing is कि जो earth होती है ना, this very ground that you're standing on, तो it contains so many ions and charges वगैरह वगैरह. It's composed of so many materials, right? So this earth, not this one, so this earth can basically transfer and accept charges as well. ठीक है? तो earthing का process इस तरह से है कि we've got the same conductor as before.
Sir, I have a question.
पूछे?
जो ग्रेविटी होती है उसमें भी कोई इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स का कोई होता है या फिर नहीं, वो बस अलग ही फोर्स है?
ग्रेविटी के अंदर मास का ताल्लुक है. Any two bodies that have a mass will always have a gravitational pull associated with them. To the extent कि for example ये बैठे हुए हैं और आप बैठे हुए हैं, आप दोनों के बीच में भी एक gravitational pull है, like that. ठीक है? So likewise, Earth and Moon, two masses, Sun and Earth, Earth and Sun. ठीक है? So everything is pulling. Alright, so we've got all of these charge distributions. Say for example, right now it's neutrally charged. We bring the same rod. Oops. तो इसके अंदर नेगेटिव चार्ज हमने किसी तरह से क्रिएट किया हुआ है. And so all of these electrons, they get pushed to the side, repelled to the side. ठीक है? Repelled is the keyword over here. And you know what? I'm going to connect a cable to the ground. ठीक है? So एक conductor मैं use करता हूँ, a wire, and I'm going to connect that to the ground. This is a wire. Wire, and this is the ground. ठीक है? Now what's going to happen is कि you've got an excess of electrons over here. They want to go somewhere. And it's like saying कि आप सारे जो friends होते हैं, you want to go out of the door क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है क्लास अगर खत्म हो जाती है और ब्रेक शुरू हो जाती है, you don't want to listen to me anymore, right? तो everybody wants to go, लेकिन I've locked the door. तो आप उधर सारे खड़े होंगे, आप इधर तो नहीं evenly distributed होंगे रूम में. No, you will not break down the door. So आप लोग पूरी क्लास में evenly distributed बाहर आ जाएंगे. You will be next to the door, ठीक है? लेकिन you can't go any further. That's what was happening over here. कि they want to go away, they are being repelled, they are being pushed off, they want to go away, लेकिन the door is closed. ठीक है?
There's no way out.
There's no way out. But what happens अगर break अब हुई भी है, you want to go, ठीक है? There is some force of motivation, let's say. तो मैं दरवाजा unlock करता हूँ, खोल लेता हूँ. What's going to happen? You're going to flow out of my room, right? So likewise, जिस वक्त हमने इसको एक वायर टच किया है, एक कंडक्टर टच किया है, so now the door is open. So all of these electrons are allowed to flow out. ठीक है? So these electrons can now flow out. ये अर्थ को चले गए. This is the earthing process. They've gone to the earth now. समझ रहे इस चीज को? Now, if I keep this rod right here, so it's still pushing them out. Stay out. ठीक है? ब्रेक अभी भी है. You want to stay out. ठीक है? और मैं इधर से वायर को डिस्कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ. ठीक है? Now there is no return path. It can't come back. और अब अगर मैं inducing source को remove कर देता हूँ, I've removed that charged rod now. There is no path for those positive charges to be able to pull those electrons back. We have removed the wire altogether. बात समझ आ रही है इस चीज की? This is how an electrostatic charge is developed across a conductor. ठीक है? Static, it's still, nothing is moving, but a static charge is developed across the conductor. ठीक है? Conductor है, and there is no way for anything to flow off anywhere. ठीक है? अच्छा, I'll talk about the reverse process and that's it. ठीक है?
Sir, can you give us like written definitions for both of these?
अच्छा, चलिए.
Sir, अब आप यहाँ पे positive charges कर लेंगे and since negative pull होते हैं, मतलब
Very
negative
good.
move होते हैं, तो
That's
फिर वो
precisely what I'm going to do. तो अब अगर positively charged rod मैं लेके आया हुआ हूँ, so these positive charges want to pull electrons, right? और मैं इधर से wire complete करता हूँ, ठीक है? So I've completed that connection. It's like आपकी कौन सी सेल हो रही है आज? Bake sale, yes. So bake sale और सारे cakes जो है मेरी लैब में इधर पड़े हुए हैं, माशाल्लाह. Everybody wants to come in. So there's a pulling force inside this sphere. Something is trying to pull it here, right? So now everybody will suddenly start flowing in once the door is open. तो पहले जब door closed था, everybody is waiting, हैं? Everybody wants to come in. जैसे मैंने door open किया, now there's a path.
But sir, the conductor and the insulator are both positive. So won't they repel each other?
Conductor and this insulator, हाँ, force of repulsion है,
Yeah.
ठीक है, that's there. लेकिन आप अपने हाथ से उसको बस लेके खड़े रहे ना उसको, ठीक है? मतलब ये forcing it है. अच्छा, so now there's going to be a flow of these electrons back inside. जितने पहले थे वो तो चलो आ ही गए. You know what? They're even going to be attracted to this other end, right? So these electrons are going to be attracted to this other end. लेकिन you know what? वो कहता है कि यार, let's pull more. ये तो electrons इसके साथ थे. Let's pull more. तो वो दो और भी उठा के ले आता है अपने साथ ग्राउंड से.
अच्छा.
ठीक है? तो ओवरऑल लेट्स कट द वायर अगेन. हमने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. एवरीबॉडी इज फीस्टिंग नाउ. ठीक है? व्हाइल दिस इज हियर, तो तब तो ये वाली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. एज सून एज आई गेट रिड ऑफ दिस वन, तो ठीक है, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैन रिटर्न टू नॉर्मल इवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन 1 2 3 4. लेकिन ये दो जो एक्सेस चार्ज आ गए थे वो एक्सेस चार्ज रह गए. Now this sphere is overall negatively charged. ठीक है?
There are more negative ions than positive.
Because it has more, not ions, electrons. C of delocalized electrons. It has more electrons than protons. और मजे की आपको बात बताता हूँ कि ये जो कंप्यूटर है मेरा थोड़ा सा खराब हुआ था, तो being the engineer that I am, मैंने जल्दी से इसको खोला पीछे से और उसके अंदर से सर्किट बोर्ड वगैरह मैंने सारा कुछ खोला है. I dismantled the entire laptop. इसके ऊपर जो सर्किट बोर्ड था, I even have a picture. Remind me, मैं आपको मोबाइल पे तस्वीर उसकी दिखाऊंगा. मैंने deliberately उसकी पिक्चर ली थी आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए. जो लैपटॉप मैन्युफैक्चरर है उसने उसके ऊपर एक इतनी बड़ी प्लास्टिक की शीट बिछाई है कि मदरबोर्ड को आप खुदा ना खास्ता अपने हाथ से टच ना करें,
ताकि करंट ना पड़े,
ताकि यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द ग्राउंड, ताकि चार्ज
ताकि
डोंट
आगे
फ्लो
छूना
टू
है।
योर हैंड इनटू द सर्किट बोर्ड, और वो एक्सेस ऑफ चार्ज या दैट फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज विल बी सफिशिएंट के सर्किटरी जले.
तो अगर आपने हाथ लगाया तो आपके छूट जाएगा एंड ज्यादा हो जाएंगे और फिर वो
हो सकता है.
अच्छा
ठीक
फ्लक्चुएट हो
है.
सकता
तो दिस इज व्हाई जो कभी आप अगर जाते हैं बाजार वगैरह में, अगर आप तो खैर नहीं जाएंगे, आपके भाई जाएंगे, यू कैन आस्क देम टू टेल यू कि रिपेयर शॉप्स वगैरह जो होती हैं बेसमेंट वगैरह में जगह जगह, तो उन्होंने रबर ग्लाव्स और जगह जगह अपनी ग्राउंडिंग करके रखी हुई होती है ताकि ओवरऑल उनके ऊपर कहीं चार्ज ना हो.
सर तो मेरा यही सवाल था. मैं
जी.
एक दफा मैं फेरी लाइट्स को सही कर रही थी एंड उसका आगे प्लग नहीं था, उतारा नहीं, तो मैं नंगे पाँव थी और मैं लगा रही थी और फिर मुझे करंट
अच्छा,
लगा.
इसको मैं इसी बंद कर देता हूँ तो आपको मैं लिखवा भी देता हूँ चीजें. ठीक है, सो आप कंटिन्यू.